My name is Everett Loeffler. I'm the IT manager at KEG Colorado. Over the 25 years that I've been here, I've been constantly searching for ways to improve efficiency and make our workers more effective. KEG Colorado is a part of a much larger organization with 8 other distributors across the U.S. We were constantly dealing with downtime in our warehouse due to broken scanners and inefficient products. Once we found ProGlove, we knew that we found a product that could keep up with our growing demands to keep the beer going out the door. Last year, KEG Colorado achieved record sales. And with the help of ProGlove, our warehouse workers were able to get every case out the door efficiently and effectively. ProGlove scanners integrate seamlessly with Encompass. Easy to pair, easy to use, one device for our workers to learn. I can always count on these products to work. One less thing for us to worry about in the IT department.
ProGlove's become a critical asset for us here in the warehouse. From its ability to scan different barcodes, different SKUs, to being able to reach the depths and distances that we need it to. It's increased our productivity by 10 to 15 cases per hour, and that happened relatively overnight within the first month, seeing the improvement across the team. The easy syncing and the easy connectivity that it does, it allows us to quickly adapt and move faster into our beginning processes to get our people to start the productivity a lot faster.
With the ProGlove solution, we've changed inventory from a big iPad and a clunky scanner to hands-free and an iPhone. Now all we do is scan the bins and make sure inventory is correct. With the old scanners, scanning different products was frustrating. It's time-consuming. But with ProGlove solution, it eases. Everything moves a little bit smoother, a little bit faster. It's hard to articulate how lightweight it is when you're moving kegs and you don't have a big bulky scanner on here that's gonna crush your hand. But with this, it makes it lightweight and easy to move the kegs around. And honestly, it's a lot safer.
Warehouse work is all about speed and efficiency. ProGlove scanners help us hit a big home run on both.